Hello, I'm Warren Buffett. For decades, I've been investing in businesses, and over the years, I've followed a few simple but powerful rules that have helped me build wealth. Today, I'm going to share my 7 essential investing rules with you. Follow these and you'll avoid common mistakes while growing your investments over time. Rule number 1, invest for the long term. I've always said, don't hold a stock for 10 minutes unless you're willing to hold it for 10 years. The stock market isn't a casino. It's a place where you own parts of real businesses. If you choose wisely and let your investments grow, time will do the work for you. Rule number 2, don't lose money. The first rule of investing, don't lose money. And the second rule, never forget rule number 1. Investing isn't about taking unnecessary risks. It's about finding businesses that are undervalued and holding on to them. Rule number 3, buy below intrinsic value. The key to making a good investment is to buy a great business at a fair price, not a fair business at a great price. When I bought Coca-Cola, I didn't buy it because of hype. I bought it because I believed in its long-term value. Always check if the stock you're buying is worth more than its current market price. Rule 4, focus on businesses, not stock prices. Stocks go up and down every day, but that shouldn't affect your investment decisions. I don't buy stocks, I buy businesses. If you wouldn't be comfortable owning a stock without checking its price for 5 years, then you shouldn't own it at all. Rule 5, be greedy when others are fearful. Markets fluctuate. When everyone is panicking and selling, that's when you should be looking for opportunities. I like to say, be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. The best investments often come when the market is down. Rule 6, avoid unnecessary risk. A lot of people think investing is about making quick money, but real wealth is built by avoiding unnecessary risks. Never invest in something you don't understand, and always make sure you have a margin of safety. Rule 7, never stop learning. The best investors are always learning. I spend most of my day reading and thinking. If you want to be a great investor, read about businesses, study their financials, and learn from the successes and mistakes of others. These 7 rules have guided me throughout my investing career, and they can do the same for you. Remember, investing isn't about luck. It's about discipline, patience, and making informed decisions. Now go out there and invest wisely.